Tell me why my husband, love him dearly, he got up to feed the baby, and then I came downstairs an hour later, and this was on the counter. That's it. I'm not talking about it anymore. I don't want to think about it anymore. Let's make some pancakes. On another note, though, my sourdough starter, Princess Joanna, put together a little loaf last night, my first sourdough loaf ever, okay? And it's a mini loaf, but it's cute. I honestly don't think that the sourdough starter was completely ready. It did rise and everything. It's just a very small loaf. I think the recipe was just a very small loaf. But I know she's ready to put together a loaf tonight for tomorrow, so that's exciting. My first sourdough loaf. There's Joanna. I gotta feed her soon. All right, I'm gonna take the tripod, honey. Thank you. So even though that situation happened with the milk, I'm still gonna make breakfast for Carl and I. So let's make some pancakes. I made them yesterday. They were so good. Forgot how much I love pancakes. And I'm gonna be making it in this Pyrex bowl that was my Nana's. What, was that necessary? Okay, all right. My kid figured out how to open the Lazy Susan. All right, that's enough, honey. That's okay, we're good. Yeah. Years ago when my Nana passed, my mom had a bunch of her stuff. And she said, look through it, and if you want anything, it's yours. And there was this bowl, and there was a bigger one that was more so for, I think, like displaying things. Like it was kind of like a fruit bowl, but it matched this design. And this bowl is not only older than me, it's probably older than my mom. Like this is an original Pyrex, so I'm told. So I love it. I think instead of putting sugar in the pancakes, I'm gonna do some Vermont maple syrup that I got in Vermont last weekend at Sugar Bush Farm. I need my teaspoon. Oh, you took a bowl out. That is so nice, honey. Can you put that back? Nope, put that back. Put that back. I need 3.5 of these. Why? Because that's what the recipe calls for. Wow, you're getting creative over there, honey. I love that. That's awesome. That is literally the one thing in the house that is not locked right now because I don't even know how you would lock that. Okay, we're gonna be gentle over there, right? I put way too much melted butter in there, but you know what? Buttery maple, you can't go wrong with butter, honestly. You can't. Wow! It's okay, it's not a big deal. I just got that as a wedding gift. It's not a big deal. Thank you so much. Grayson just went down for a nap. Kennedy is no longer doing naps. Yeah. We're probably gonna head out soon, so I think we're going to my parents' house, and we're definitely gonna be getting coffee on the way. After he left that milk out, he's getting me coffee this morning. I'll talk to you guys later. Happy Sunday.